What up? Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
There's a street festival going on.
Looks like hot sauce at that one stand.
It does look like hot sauce, and they definitely had hot malt beverages in the stand beside it, so that's where we're going. Warm ourselves up, right?
Yeah.
The big adorable fluffy dogs! Oh, and now that I'm filming, there's no big adorable fluffy dogs.
What up, slow gin and mulled wine? Oh, that warms the soul.
What up, Welsh whiskey?
Rum.
Oh, Welsh rum and apple. That's pretty delightful.
It's delightful.
So you got the slow gin
Yeah.
and mulled wine.
Yeah.
And I got the
Rum and apple.
Welsh rum and apple. Okay, just want to clarify.
Shall we taste for taste?
Sure.
Oh. Yeah.
They're both great.
Yeah. Can't really go
I
wrong.
gave him exactly 7 pounds. Seemed pretty delighted.
Yeah.
And single coins.
Well, he'll need quite a bit of change, I imagine.
Yeah.
What's up, video?
Stare into the sun. I think we've discovered from traveling in Europe that our favorite thing ever is walls. And also having cheeky beers on walls. Although we're not doing that right now. But in general, cheeky beer, walls in general. Oh, amazing. Look at those birds.
I do like old walls. What up, unbeliever? Dry hopped sour IPA. Yes, that is marvelous.
And the drum circle going on in the background.
Also the beautiful sunset. Oh, look at those clouds. Mountain.
Cotton candy sunset. This is an amazing city. You should definitely come.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
A lot.
Yeah.
I think this is my favorite stop.
We go here. I draw the line, and then we go no further.
I think fence drew the line.
Fence, me, fish buff. Is that all as far as it goes? That's all you got, Wall. Is that all you got? Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy. Hey, little your warm dance? It's chilly, man.
Yeah, the wind's
Hit by some plants. It's the smallest house in Britain with the biggest lineup to get into the smallest house. Could chowder get any fresher? Take the shot.
potato chunks in it.
Yeah, me too. I think it came out of this water.
That is delightful. It is
It's,
like scalloped potatoes
yeah.
in breading.
It's a cheese and onion Welsh pie. I thought there was a bunch of meat ones. I'm like, no, I want to try two.
It's really good.
£1.40.
Nice.
Pretty good. That's how you do meals on a street while standing with a bunch of balls. Blinding sunlight. Having a good day. There's still a couple of churches I'd like to check out, but this street event is pretty delightful. I feel like I just heard a goat. Am I crazy? The projections are photographs of the stained glass in the church. It's really beautiful.
Well, he's trying Marmite for the very first time.
I might like it better than Japanese people like it. Ah, that's delightful.
It helps that he put on a very tasteful amount.
Oh, it's like liquid salt. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Want some?
Sure.
I don't even remember what you got. What was it?
Sausage roll.
Does it taste like sausage shoved in some bread?
It's exactly what it tastes
Yeah?
like.
Is it delightful?
Yeah.
At the carnivore devour. You're not a carnivore. You're mostly vegetarian.
On vacation, I tend to eat meat.
No. Just on vacation though. Seriously rocking the street food today.
Yeah.
Cheesy chips and what's up for here?
What up, boozy raspberry sour framboise?
That means raspberry in French.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum yum yum. Mmm. In front of the water. That's very delightful. Sheen.
Tis delight. What a delight. No, seagull.
No, seagull. You want to matcha chips? No, matcha chips. He's hoping to get some of that cheese. Look at that little guy. Look at him. He's like, give me a cheese. But all the signs in the city say do not feed the seagulls. I bet you it's because of you, buddy. You want a picture of yourself beside it for scale? Okay. Oh, actually, it's really big.
That's it. That's all our time in Wales, in this beautiful city of Conwy.
Conwy has been incredible.
We've enjoyed it so much.
One of my favorite cities I think I've ever been to.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah,
Please subscribe. Please click that like button if you've enjoyed our travels.
yeah.
Hit the little bell if you want to see more from us.
You probably don't.
All those things YouTubers say.
Take luck. What a weird mulled wine thing with gin that we copied from the market. So nice and warm when it's like -1 with the wind chill.
What up, Welsh pride? What up, dark, strong plum porter?